If you've ever thought, yeah, I've got a skill, but I have no clue how to turn it into something people will pay for, that ends today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I help beginners turn everyday skills into digital products that sell, even with zero audience, zero budget, and zero tech experience. Let's get into it. So what's up, you guys? It's Ronnie again, aka Dad Learns Money. This is part 2 of our digital product series. And if you missed the first one, go back and watch that before this one. It's all about why most people never get paid online and how to fix it fast. But assuming you did go through my skill finder framework, you should now have a pretty clear idea of a skill you could package. Now, let's turn that skill into a product that prints money while you sleep. So first things first, you're going to want to start with the problem, not the product. Most people get stuck right here because they think, I need to create a course or I should write an ebook, but they never ask why. So listen, don't start with a product idea. Start with a problem that your skill solves. Let's say your skill is helping people stay productive with ADHD. The product could be a Notion planner, a quick training video, a swipe file of habits, but what actually matters is this. What's the pain point that person wakes up thinking about? What would they pay to stop struggling with? Now, once you know the problem, the next move is to pick a simple format. There are only 4 types of digital products I recommend for beginners: a PDF guide or an ebook, a checklist or a cheat sheet, a mini course or video series, or a template or done-for-you tool. And one of my favorites is PLR digital products. But let's say your skill is organizing Instagram bios for business owners. Instead of overthinking it, how about you make a $17 cheat sheet that gives 5 bio formulas and headline examples that convert? That's a product. Simple, quick to make, and easy to sell over and over. And you don't need to be fancy. You just need to solve a real problem clearly and fast. And here's the fun part. You don't need to manually email people PDFs or build some complicated funnel. I use a free tool called System.io that lets you host your product, create your sales page, take payments, and deliver everything automatically. It's all drag and drop and it's super beginner friendly. And I'm telling you, if you can drag files on your computer, you can build a product funnel inside System.io in a couple of hours, tops. In fact, I've got templates you can plug and play with if you want to skip all those design headaches. And I'm going to make sure those links are going to be right below this video in the YouTube description. So let me tell you about Sonny. He had an experience working as a virtual assistant, and we helped him package his daily VA systems into a $27 mini product, and boom, he made $1,700 in his first few weeks. He didn't overthink it. He just said, here's what I know how to do. Let me put it into a format people can use. And the same thing with Gift. She made $2K in 2 weeks off a simple info product with no fancy tech, no big ads, just real value packaged up and offered to the right people. And you can do this too, like this week. Now, if you want to see how fast this really can happen, I've got another freebie for you. It's called Launch a Digital Product in 30 Minutes, and it shows you step by step how to put together your first product and launch it in one sitting. It even includes a funnel template and my beginner setup checklist. You can grab it right now by clicking the link right below this video in the YouTube description. I'll even make sure I put it in the YouTube comments. If the Skill Finder framework gave you clarity, this guide will give you momentum. Now next is where we take that product and plug it into a funnel that actually sells. Because even the best product doesn't sell itself, and most people screw up their sales pages bad. And that's why you want to watch the video popping up on your screen right now. Because I'm going to show you the exact funnel I use to turn cold leads into customers in 24 hours. So make sure you watch that video, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.